Take your Toyota LandCruiser 70 Series braking performance to the next level with Pedders eXtreme Big Brake Kit to suit 70 Series Toyota LandCruiser. This awesome new upgrade from Pedders includes monster 6-pot front and 4-pot rear brake calipers with enlarged slotted and Geomet-coated brake rotors and high-tech Pedders eXtreme Kevlar Ceramic Brake Pads. Pedders testing results using a single cab 79 series loaded to 4,200 kilograms show this brake upgrade package to reduce stopping distance from 100 kilometres per hour by 24.8 metres when combined with the Pedders dual diaphragm brake booster. The Pedders eXtreme Big Brake Kit was also shown to reduce the 100 kilometres per hour to zero stopping time by more than 2 seconds. This revolutionary LandCruiser 70 Series brake upgrade kit is perfectly suited to those that tow or carry heavy loads with their LandCruiser. Contact Pedders today and get braking performance you can rely on.